Welcome to OneCloud CX's System Administration Scenario Building series. Today we will be going over the third part of a four-part series, Menu Block. When calling a contact center, you often hear a menu with routing options. We'll create this in our scenario. First, drag the menu block from the block bank. The menu block requires a prompt, which will be the audio the caller hears. Create a new prompt, name it, and add a voice segment. This text will be read by the default TTS engine. Include a welcome message and menu options. The menu block allows up to 12 routes using standard phone keypad characters. Enable the keys you need, creating corresponding exits. Rename these choices for clarity. If a caller enters an invalid input, create a prompt to notify them. Frequent callers can interrupt the prompt with a key press. You can ignore invalid inputs so the system doesn't play the invalid input prompt. Set a timeout duration and create a timeout prompt, which will play if no selection is made. Define prompts to play after invalid or timeout prompts, reminding the caller of menu options. Specify the maximum retries allowed before the scenario moves to the next block. Next, assign calls to their appropriate services using the request skill or service block. Add this block to each menu exit. Then, direct calls to the Find Agent block using GoToBlocks. Select the appropriate block for each GoToBlock. The Find Agent block will route calls based on the requested service, ensuring agents on the correct teams receive the calls. Thanks for watching! For more information and trainings on our product, visit us at support.onecloud.com and we'll see you in the next part of the series. Play, listen, and if